If you read the title, and that God helped me develop. And I've been developing this technique for about maybe 2.5 years now, and I'm still perfecting it. So I'm still working on it, and I'm still going in and changing things up when I see that I can make it better. If this is your very first time joining me, let me introduce myself. My name is Cynthia. I am the owner and the creator of Crowns of Glory. And just because this is your very first time tuning in, now this doesn't have to be your last time. All you need to do is hit that little subscribe button. You see it, I know you see it. Go ahead and hit that button and become the newest member of the Royal Nation. Yes, and be crowned. Over here, I love giving you really good information that you can use. Yes, so that's what I'm getting ready to do today. I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks that I have learned over the years how to get a custom fit on any stock wig. And I know I've been talking about this wig right here. Yes, I got this from Amazon. And I went in and added my tricks and little tips that I'm getting ready to share with you that made this wig into an adhesive-free wig. And you can do this to any wig that you want it to be. Give you that glueless fit, and also give you a really nice, realistic hairline. So if that's something that you want to learn, you're in the right spot today. We'll go ahead and jump over to my studio. You ready? Let's go. That hook, you see how we could just slip from that side. I just think it's just too wide. So I went in and I divided it. So now you only have that amount instead of this. So that's number one. That's the first tip, okay? So the second thing is important to get your wig, your stock wig, to look like it's a custom wig is taking your time to prep your wig around the hairline. Your hairline is the most important part of your wig. Like I said before, your hairline can make or break the look of your wig. So the product that I always use, and I have not changed my products whatsoever, is my Jane Carter solution. Okay, I like using that. Another thing that you want to get, you want your glue stick. I've been told, like I said, if you go back and look at my earlier videos in regards to a realistic hairline, I'm going in detail on how to actually get it done. Okay, so you want to use, I like this mousse when I'm actually doing my hairline. When I first started, I was using my Nourish, but I found that this just works much better. It comes with practicing. You're just gonna have to continue to do it over and again in order for you to get your hairline. And even the hair here, depending on how you want. If you want a hump like that, you need to go ahead and mold that down as well. You know, if you want it to be flat, you need to go ahead and mold it down while you're doing this. Okay. I have already cut most of, let me pull this back some more, taking too much. I've already cut my hair around my hairline. And another thing, when you get a stock wig, what's so amazing about this wig is the fact that the hairline and the lace and how they're already pre-plucked around the hairline, it was chef kiss. I'm serious. I know I keep saying it. I know I have other short videos that I'm talking about, but this is my first time ever getting a stock wig. Well, you know, typically I don't get wigs from Amazon, but I'm saying quality wigs on Amazon. Oh yeah. So once you comb your hair out, and you don't want to just go all the way around straight across. You want to kind of pull out hair randomly. Okay, that's what you want to do. So once you do that, you want to get a razor that you do your eyebrows with. But the thing about it is, you don't want to use it straight out of the pack. I know I've said this several times. You don't want to use it straight out of the pack. You want to use it, but you want to get like a cardboard and you want to just go across it, because you want the blade to be dull. But you want to take it and you want to just mold it down. And I put some into the hair itself. Like I said, I'm gonna have like this little lift here. I need a whole lot of it. A little go a long way. So if you see that, so I would take it and I would just put it through the hair, even in the hair going back. So, and I'm holding it with my hand because I am putting a lot of pressure on it, okay? Use your finger that's like an anchor, okay? And you're gonna swoop it up. Swoop it up, just like that. And you're gonna hold it, that comb, into it. I'm gonna bring it in. Hold it. And you wanna keep moving it, because if you do have really thin HD lace, you could burn it. I'm telling you, because I've done it before. On the inside of the wig, like I said before, when I got the wig, it did not have any ear tabs whatsoever. Now it did have this band, the strap here. It did have that already, but it did not have the ear tabs. So this is the key to getting your wig to fit really flat to your head, that it would look very realistic, is your ear tabs. So I have ear tabs, and I went in and sewed the ear tabs into this wig, and it's a certain way that you got to put it on. And then I took the elastic band and I sewed it to the ear tabs, okay? I sewed it down with my sewing machine, and by doing that, it hugged it, because now I used to have the, the band, the big band. When I first started wearing wigs, I used to do that, but it used to lift up in the back. You know what I'm talking about, lift up in the back, and it still just did not fit, and it did not lay flat here. You want to lay flat all the way here. That's what you want. So by using that band, it was kind of pulling it back, so I couldn't get that look. And also, you want your ears to be free. If I can show it to you. Like that. You want your ears to be free. So you want your ears to be, you don't want to lay on your ears. You want your ears to be out of that, okay? So that's what the thing that, when I start incorporating my ear tabs, and you could buy a wig cap that have ear tabs. But what I have to do, I have to cut that ear tab and sew it in a different way. Because if you just use that wig cap with the ear tabs in there, it's still not going to work. You need to custom fit that that wig cap in order for it to work. Okay, so that is the tea. You need some ear tabs. And let me tell you, you could actually go in, and I'm just really getting you, I'm just exposing myself today. Let me tell you something. I said I would never tell any of my secrets when it came down to this. But my royal nation needs some help. So that's why I decided to go ahead and really share with you all the technique. Now, I'm not going to go in detail because that I'm going to wait until I roll out these classes. But the ear tabs, that's the thing that you need. So let me show you this wig cap. I got this from Amazon. Okay, so if you notice how this wig cap look like that, yeah. But all these steps individually is not going to give you the fit. You got to put it all together. Okay, all together is going to give you the glueless, adhesive free wig. I have a video where my husband is blowing my hair with a leaf blower, and it does not move. It doesn't move. Now, before I start doing this, I will put my wig on, and during the day, that thing will start creeping. Creeping like that. Start creeping, moving. I'm like, no. So out and about, people looking at you, talking to somebody, they looking at your head. Yeah, they're looking at your hairline. It look crazy. That's what they're looking at. So, and I was very self-conscious with wearing my wigs. And also by doing this one, I don't have to go and get it installed. My installations are very quick. I just put it on and go. That's it. That's what I do. Okay. But again, you got to bring all this together in order for you to take a stock wig that you get from anywhere, wherever you get your stock wigs from, put these steps together, and it's going to give you that custom fit. Okay, so guys, like I said, I love talking to you all. I love, if you didn't get all your steps, I want you to keep going back, looking at it. You know, you want to save it. Yep, you want to hit that save button. You want to, let me stop right there. If you're not a subscriber, I don't know why you don't want to be part of this tribe, but that's the first thing you need to do. Click that red button. The one, yep, click that one. Become a part of the Royal Nation. Then you want to hit that save, because you want this to be saved. You don't want to, like, I don't know where the video is, I forgot all the steps and blah, blah. No, you don't want to. You want to make sure you save it. And if you have a friend, someone that you know love wearing wigs and they having the same problem, send it to them. Be a dear. Send it to them. Show them some love. Okay? Don't keep all the information to yourself. Again, like I said, I always love spilling tea all over the place. So I did that again today. Yes. So again, guys, go ahead and become the newest member of the Royal Nation. And until next time, I love you. Bye.